Today I'm going diving at the Cut in Whytecliff Park, British Columbia. This is my very first Pacific Ocean scuba dive. I'm super excited. I'm going to be going with a local guy, Bruce, who's going to guide me around the site. Alright, that was the first Pacific dive done at the Cut, just outside of Vancouver, BC. Stopped raining, the weather's getting good. That was a really fun dive. So many interesting things to see. Very different than Yellowknife for sure. Great to see kind of the animals and the critters that were down there. So, yeah, shit I found diving in BC. Whoa.